Hello, Professor. Today, we are going to present our project about a monitoring system for generator set operation. Our presentation is divided into four parts: Introduction, monitoring system for generator set, remote control system for generator set, and conclusion. So, I will start with introduction. Now, let's move on to the motivation. At present, the demand for electric power is on the rise, and they are still in remote area, which the transmission line is not accessible. Therefore, we choose the generator set as another form of uninterruptible power supply system, so that the remote area can use electricity. From the problem and background that we mentioned above, we made a monitoring system for the operation of generator set. In order to be able to carefully and accurately monitor the operation of generator set. Next is an objective. We divide into 6 topics. First, to study and research the operation of generator set. Second, to learn how microcontroller works with different types of sensor. Third, to study and research the operation of Internet of Things technology in various forms. Fourth, to design remote monitoring system with a generator set. Fifth, to check and alarming of generator set in abnormal conditions via mobile application and website. And sixth, to design a remote controlling system with a generator set. Next is a scope of study. Scope of study in this project is design a remote monitoring system with a generator set and take the measure value to show the operating status of generator set via mobile application and website, which we divide into 2 parts. First is monitoring system for the cell engine part. This part is equipped with a system for measuring temperature of lubricant, oil pressure, fuel level, engine speed, and a system for measuring voltage and current at the battery terminals. Second is monitoring system for generator set part. This part is equipped with a system for measuring voltage and current at the terminals of generator set and calculate the value of frequency, real power, apparent power, and power factor. And this table shows the statement of work in our project. Okay, now I will pass you over to Mr. Visit. Thank you.
I'm going to start with monitoring system of generators. This diagram shows the system working as master-slave and connected or communicated by I2C. The system starts as this slave, Arduino, receives values from sensor and process. After that, this slave will send value to node MCU as master through I2C bus. Master will store value in SD card for backup data and send value to Firebase as real-time database by Wi-Fi. Firebase will store data in file server. After that, mobile application and website and connected with Firebase will show parameter value of generators monitoring. Next, we're going to talk about the device in system. This is the device that we use in slave 1 for measure parameter of engine. This is the device that we use in slave 2 for measure parameter of generator. And this is the device that we use in master for store data. We design schematic circuit and printed circuit board with Altium Designer software. The features show about design overview of generator monitoring system. Then we show you about board design of each part. And this is the finished board that we made. Okay. For the testing, we step up electrical load 10% for each time. Electrical load that we use in this testing is incandescent light bulb. The table 2 show about the parameter of engine that we monitor with our monitoring system. And the table 3 show about the parameter of generator set that was measured from step 2 in same testing. This slide shows the data that was stored in SD card by Node MCU. The figure 14 shows the data that's stored in text file with comma separate value type. Then we take them into the Excel for rearrange the data to monitor with chart or table as shown in figure 15. Okay. We use Firebase for store parameter value of generator sets. That is cloud database platform. It was developed by Google company. Main core that we interested in this platform are real-time database feature and it has large community. Yes. Okay, next we design a website for real-time monitoring of generator sets and data record at all time with chart and table. The website connected with Firebase for store data in cloud server, and this website is processed by Firebase hosting service. Moreover, in this website can monitor the real-time location of generator sets in storage. Okay. If our system detects irregularity of generator sets, it will notify chat in Line application through Line API as shown in this diagram. The main code that we use Line application for notification is easy for using and reliable. Okay, now I finishes for this part and I will pass you over to Mr. Wachali.
Now we are moving to the next topic, remote control system for generator sets. First, I'd like to say the overview of remote control system for generator sets shown in this diagram. The design concept of remote control system is designed to be able to receive commands in two ways. First, website through the internet. Second, SMS through 2G network, and send commands to ESP8266 to process. After that, it will send signal to Arduino Nano to control generator set with relay. Right, let's move on to design of remote control system for generator set. Microcontroller is ESP8266 and Arduino Nano for processing data and controlling operating conditions. ESP8266 is device for use receiving commands and processing to send data signal to Arduino Nano to control relay. Next, we use SIM800L module for connect to telephone network and receiving SMS commands. This device can be used with 2G network. And we use GPS module to indicate the location of generator set. Next, we use DS1T07 real-time clock module for sending the current time to ESP8266 for processing, and we use 5V relay numeric codes, have current rated at 10 A for control generator set. Next, power supply. We use power supply from lead acid battery and step down voltage to 5V with step down module, current rated at 3 A. 5V is connected to ESP8266, Arduino Nano, real-time clock module, and GPS module. And we use diode to reduce voltage 5V to 3.6V for SIM800L module. Right, let's move on to how to control. There are two ways to control. First, by website. This picture shows display on website. It can control and set time for generator set. Next. Second, by SMS. This table shows SMS command. It control generator set. It has three types of commands. First, command to control generator set. Second, command to set the working time. And third, operation result display command. Next, this picture shows SMS command response by the type of SMS. Next, this picture shows schematic design follow our design concept. Okay, let's move on to finished product. This picture shows finished product. And now we are moving to the new topic, working test and result with Ms. Mandapa.
Work test and result. There are two ways to control the device. First, control by website. Second, control by SMS. Control by website response time is 10.25 seconds. Control by SMS response time about 12 to 13 seconds, but device can't work in still cell and the antenna is inside. Next, positioning test result using GPS module. GPS module can work in outdoor area and room with the part that see the sky, but GPS module can't work inside the room or under the building, can't see the sky. Let's move on to the conclusion. The monitoring system project of the operation of generator sets have proceeded, designed, and built a monitoring system which from the test result can be concluded that for the operation of generator sets, this can work properly for internet purposes which are first, the device able to measure one important parameter of generator set and can send data to firmware. Second, the device able to display one parameter in form of graph of data relative to time, data table, and in the form of tick box, which can display the information at the current time on the website. Third, the device able to save one parameter to micro SD card instead of connect to the internet and instead of disconnect to the internet. Fourth, the device able to notify one abnormal status to the generator set via the application line. Fifth, the device able to control the operation of generator sets remotely through the system, internet by website or phone signal system use 2G signal via SMS sending. Monitoring system for the operation of generator sets will allow user to check the status and control the operation of generator sets don't need to be at the installation point of generator set. It also make them aware of the malfunction of occurs and plans for timely maintenance. This save time and money in conducting a work a job of generator sets. And our project is not perfect yet. We have some suggestions. 1. Increase the speed of data processing of the monitoring system by reduce unnecessary process and add a data processor. 2. Repeat the sensor used to measure the electric current of the battery to be more efficient and reliable. 3. Modification of the system used to send command to control the operation of the generator sets by switching from the transmission of command via 2G to 3G or 4G, which have better signal quality that can be achieved by replacing the SIM XLL module with support 2G deployment with modules that support 3G or 4G. 4. Provide standard and reliable equipment or tool for testing. 5. Improve the format for extracting information for the database that will be displayed on the website or change the framework on the display graph to respond appropriately to the display and not too late. 6. design and build a small monitoring system, especially in the design of printed circuit board and reducing unnecessary equipment. In addition, the principle of the monitoring system of the operation of generator sets can be applied to the design and conduction of monitoring system for other equipment such as industrial machinery, home appliance, and real type of vehicles. This is where the Internet of Things technology will be able to facilitate human life. Thank you for attention.